Okay, in today's video, we're going to show you guys how to set up a wireless restaurant guest paging system. I just went ahead and unboxed this thing out of the box, and this is what it comes with here. There's a bunch of different pagers. This is the charging station. Here's the AC adapter. This is a look at what one of the pagers looks like. And it's not branded right now, it's just blank. Here is the cards that they give you to brand it. Right there's a plastic piece, and then one of the cards says, welcome, nice, enjoy the good times, please take the meal when flashing and vibrate. Or you can customize it with a number yourself right there with some of these blank cards. But first thing that you gotta do is plug in the AC adapter into here and charge up these pagers for 20 minutes. So we'll do that now. Okay, once you have everything all charged up, this is how it works. We'll just take this one here. It says number 8, for example, and you hand this off to your customer or whoever needs to hold on to this. And then you go to the dial pad here, you push on 8, and then call. As you see, it lights up, beeps, and vibrates. The way that they can stop it from beeping is they can push on the side there and it'll stop it. But that's how you call each of these transmitters. All I did was, after it got done charging, I had all these charged, and there was no really programming them to the number because everyone has a number on there and they're already pre-programmed. Now, one thing to note here is we're going to be using these, and we don't want the beep to sound. So, okay, to turn off the beeper, here's a different one. It was kind of tricky to figure this out, but you have to push in on this button. 1, 2, so that all the lights are lighting up, and then be quick about it. Hit that button and push the button on the side and let go. Push the button on the side again, and then that light lights up like that. Now we'll try it. We'll hit 1, 6, call, and now it's just vibrating and lighting up. Okay, that's how you turn off the beeper. So a little bit tricky to do that, but that's how you do it. Okay, if this video was helpful to you, click a thumbs up on it. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.